Hi everyone, my name is Arya and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am extremely passionate about art, and art is, whether you're just coloring in a book or painting a masterpiece, it's a way to creatively express yourself, and it can be a stress reliever for a lot of people, and it's very relaxing. Since a young age, I've been experimenting with different mediums, such as acrylic, oil paints, watercolor, calligraphy, and even digital art. I've been working with all of those mediums, and I found that there are many ways for you to put yourself out there and show your art to the world, or just improve your art skills to get better. It doesn't matter where you want to go with art, but my purpose for this channel is to show you the basics of drawing and to share with you multiple techniques with plenty of different mediums to help you improve your art skills. So let me go ahead and show you my beginnings in art, my inspirations, and my improvements. I've been interested in art from a young age, and just picking up a few pencils and crayons and scribbling away was my passion. I like to express myself, and the sky was the limit. An especially amazing experience for me was when I was in 3rd grade, and we had to paint something that was based off of a dream. I think that opportunity really inspired me and got me going because I unleashed all of my creativity into it. I always liked to paint nature and landscapes, so I thought it was a good idea to do a landscape painting. I also wanted to have bright colors in my painting and make it really abstract and unique. I ended up painting some trees in the background, some small creatures, and I even added snow. Since I did this way back in 3rd grade, I can't exactly pinpoint my thoughts from then, but looking at it now, even though it may seem like it has many flaws, I definitely can tell that I tried my best. This opportunity really inspired me to think outside of the boundaries and just have fun with painting. It even ended up being displayed at my school's local administration building, where people got the chance to go up and view my piece. I started to take art classes from a young age, and soon enough, my drawings went from this to this, with lots of practice and learning new techniques and skills. This was just a quick intro to my YouTube channel. You can definitely expect me to make videos about drawing and painting.